Greetings, esteemed programmers. Today, I'm diving into the heart of every programmer's journey, the legendary Hello World. Ever wondered why this simple phrase is the first thing we learn in programming? Stick around, and I'll tell you why it's our first love in the coding world. Imagine opening a brand new store and yelling, "We're open." That's what Hello World is for us. It's our grand entrance into the world of code. First introduced by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie back in 1978, this tiny program has become a universal symbol for beginners. Why start with something so simple? Well, it's all about accessibility. It gives beginners a quick win, a sense of achievement, before diving into the deep complexities of coding. Plus, it provides instant feedback, seeing Hello World on your screen confirms that you've got things set up correctly, and no matter what language you're learning, the concept remains the same. It's a greeting that transcends cultures. But Hello World is more than just a first step. It's a cultural code. On GitHub, you'll find millions of Hello World projects. Each programming community has its own twist. Python keeps it concise with Java hides it behind classes and main methods. And HTML, well, it nestles it between tags. Now let's talk stories. Did you know that Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, once spent 30 minutes debugging his first C++ program, meant to print Hello World? He forgot a semicolon. Yep, even legends make rookie mistakes. And here's a wild one. Marcus Persson, or Notch, who skipped Hello World entirely and jumped straight into rendering 3D cubes. He called it a manifesto for building crazy things with code. There's also the tale of a job candidate who was asked to implement Hello World creatively. They submitted 1,024 versions, including a binary-only version, a multi-threaded version, and one that printed each letter with 0.1 second delays. They got the job. Ever heard of the most expensive Hello World? In the 1960s, printing Hello cost around 300 tons, about 2,500 tons today. What takes microseconds now took a whole day of work back then. And in 2018, Elon Musk's SpaceX launched a Tesla Roadster into space with a Hello World program embedded in its computer. It might be the farthest traveling Hello World in history. From debugging nightmares to interstellar messages, Hello World is more than a first program. It's a cultural icon. So what story will your next Hello World tell? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!